Hello again, guys. It is Tony from Future Labs. I wanted to talk to you guys today about the new update to Etsy Asset Packager and show you some of the features. So we'll jump right in. Here I've got some images stylized that I've uploaded, and we can click these images to read a description. I'll use AI to reverse prompt the images, and we'll just do these real quick. I want to show you the smart generation that has just been added. So we're going to take this description here and we're going to open up the Smart Generation Studio. And here, the new layout, we have our prompt assistant on the left. We have the settings in the center and the generated image output on the right. Here in the center, we have full control of the prompt, or we could use the prompt enhancer. We can choose the amount of images to generate and which model we would like to generate. We have some quick tags down below to guide us in our image generation. And on the left here, we're going to paste that description that we just got from that cheetah. And if we want to change it up a little bit, so let's say, generate me 4 prompts with a similar style, yet I want the animals to be an eagle, a whale, a dolphin, and a manta ray. Let's go with sea turtle. I want the color scheme to be oceanic. And we're going to send that to the prompt assistant and see what he comes up with. Now he will take that prompt, that direction, and he will give us a number of prompts, which we can then copy and paste into the prompt or any other image generator. Or if we can click the image generate button, and now we'll immediately start to generate the images. We'll take a quick peek here. They don't really take that long to generate. We have eagle, very similar design, but a different color. And that's just how we can iterate off other prompts. But we also have this button down here, generate all prompts. This is if you already know the prompt that you like to use, you can use it to create series of things. Like, I'll show another example of that in a second here, but this will go through each prompt, generate 2 images from each one, and you can go through and choose the ones you like. We have 2 buttons here on the images outputs. We have a download PNG and to add to images. That looks really nice. We'll download that one, push this one to the images. I'll show you that one. These dolphins look really good. They're all very similar style, very consistent style, perfect for packaging together. And so we'll just add a bunch of them. That sea turtle looks great. Okay, we added a bunch. We saved a bunch. We'll close out of here. And as you can see, they've been added to our file list. And we can click this to smartly analyze them. And there, again, we have the full description. And from there, we could mass rename or bulk process. But I actually, instead of doing that, I'd like to show you just something else we can do here. So we had this owl. Let's analyze it. This would be great for laser cutting or even just coloring or whatever, but definitely good for laser cutting, converting to SVG. We're going to take the description and we're going to go back here into generator. We're going to clear the chat. I'll paste the prompt, generate me 10 different animals in the same style, please. You got to be polite to your AI. They're going to run the world someday. Okay. We've got our prompts here. We got 10 of them. And, I trust that they're all going to be around what I'm looking for, and I'm going to generate all. Save myself a lot of legwork, copying and pasting them over. And, now we have a wolf forward on. It's pretty great. Add that. We have a lion, very similar style. These are all going to be good, great for converting to SVGs. Really good. And as you can see, you can generate entire packs, asset packs. This is really to streamline, as I advertise, it's from image to Etsy. And we can then take these and download them as SVGs or package them up and convert them into SVGs as bulk. And we have an SVG pack in a very consistent style. Once we package it up, upload it to our cloud, our coloring book folder, and it's ready to go on Etsy. Thanks, guys, for watching. We'll see you next time.